Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Themba. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So Big Brother winner MphoWaBadimo has released a statement saying that she has been receiving numerous death threats from people who are close to her ex-boyfriend Themba, probably you guys. So the heavily pregnant Mpho not only did she say that people threatened her, they also revealed that they also threatened her children, you guys. So she released this statement which reads as follows. Due to the ongoing stories about my past relationship, it has also started to affect my personal life in every aspect. I have been receiving death threats from calls to text, threatening my life and my son's life till today. Those threats have been direct and it has created a very hostile situation for me and those close to me. I've been receiving pictures of my car, home, and son with threats. Some of these messages and calls are coming from people close to the person I was in a relationship with. I have been in talks with my lawyer and I'm seeking further advice. I will not be doing any media interviews about my past relationship until this has been resolved legally. I am trying so hard to move away from this chapter, but the defamation that has come with it hasn't been pleasant to the extent of threats leading to my unborn baby boy, son, and myself. I have no interest whatsoever in the ex's life or what he does, as our relationship ended a long time ago and we haven't been in contact in a while. But the constant posting of my images on his page and talk about me on interviews are in contradictory to reality and the truth. I ask that we move with respect and consideration and allow me to detach myself with grace. Anything else will be addressed to and by my lawyer to anyone. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload.